Hey, what is going on, guys? I'm Andrew Farm Life, and we are going to be reacting to Kitty Channel Afnan and maybe some of her Instagram posts, because people post her Instagram posts on YouTube so we can view them. But let's start out with this one. I bet this one is gonna look. This one. Wait. Bruh! Oh my God! She just made a giant wave. Oh my God. Look at that. I just saw the player.
Oh God, it got in my mouth again.
Oh God! Oh my God!
The SH word.
Sorry, Mrs. Radity? What was that? Ooh. Let's see this no feet boy meme. Oh, looks like Kitty Channel Afnan pinned a comment here. And this we gotta go through these ads. Kitty Channel Afnan just... Her intro's actually kind of faster than some of the ads. Let's see, Rowdy. Oh my God, you just... Warning. What? Did she just say, feet, marry me? What? I do not know what is going on here. Let's just click on her channel. Oh God, what is that channel or what do you mean? Let's try this one. Yeah, see this end, this is her regular intro. Oh, I think this is a Zizzy X20. What the heck? Oh my God, no! No, no, no! No, 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 no! Why? Why? I like this. Okay. I think this is like in a different language because I can't really understand what they're saying. But I know there's something different about the original one. Okay. Oh wait, there's no description. Kitty Channel Afnan said. Let me press that read more. So this is the original one. So you see, I think Kitty Channel Afnan kind of like slowed it down because it's way faster and it sounds like it's sang by a woman or anime. I think this was based off of some anime. But yeah, let's see. Why is Kitty Channel Afnan so creepy? AirPods. AirPods? What? Let's see this one. Wake up, sleepyhead. Oh my God! Why do these? Kitty Channel Afnan, I'm glad you censored these because we cannot have that. I can tolerate censored curse words, but why don't people censor the A and the H word? Those are bad words too. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's the kitty doll. And she just put her ghost inside. Oh my God! Yeah, you see, sometimes her eyes turn black when they're supposed to be white. Guess that's just her creepy side. Let's see. See if we can find. Oh, what is this? Nation of Man. Oh my god! Oh wait, no. What is this? What is this?
Wow. That was.
Oh my!
Wow.
What?
That was.
What is-
Wow.
The first one was an anime. Wow.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That was.
Oh my god.
That was.
Guys, please don't be mad at me. These are censored, okay? They're not actually being said. These are censored. What the? Oh my god. It's another Zizzy. It's another Pony X Zizzy. He gets mad at the Oh, not again! No! What the heck? That was like one of her TikToks. But Pony gets mad at the player for seeing Zizzy and him just being together. Oh my god. Hold on, let's try and find the actual one because I think there's an actual one of that. Let's see what else. The airport. What the? Oh my god, what is that? These guys. This girl is creepy. I already did Electric Angel. Here, what is this? I don't think that's her actual voice. I think it's just a voice from a meme. I think that's just a voice of a meme. Let's see some Instagram. Let's see some Instagrams. Someone. Okay. I have no idea what that word means, but I'm thinking it's a curse word. So let's see this. Ooh. Wait, they're talking. Oh, she has the red teeth. I like this one. Be like, I know it's surrounded. Help us! Somebody help us! Okay, what is this? Oh, Bunny Fox TV. Shout out! Let's give a shout out to Kitty Channel Halfman and Bunny Fox YT. Ooh, I like this. I like this intro. Let's see this. Sing your pillow. I do not like you because you say bad words. Is this the Alex and Steve show? When Doggy finds himself with Foxy. Okay. Oh yeah. We want to see the video. We need to see the videos. Okay. It's a different intro for part 3 of our Instagrams. What the heck? Go follow Kitty Channel Halfman on Instagram. And I'm gonna have an Instagram soon. Probably this weekend. Oh, I think Pony just proposed to Zizzy. What? It's this one again. Sorry. He has no feet. He has no feet. You have no feet. This boy got no feet. You got no feet. Yeah, so some of these Instagrams of Kitty Channel Afnan. Is that a budgie? Budgie. Oh yeah, I remember. Let's see. Oh god, that's not a good one. Well, I guess that's all the time we have left for today. For Kitty Channel app, for Andrew's Farm Life Reacts to Kitty Channel Afnan. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and notification bell so you never miss a video. Leave a comment down below, and I just changed my Twitter name to The Real Andrew's Farm Life, so it's The Real Andrew's Farm Life now. Bye, guys.